Bunch of price cuts on the street today. One of them coming from Oppenheimer's Jason Helfstein, who cut from 585 to 500, keeping his outperform rating. And Jason joins us this morning. Jason, good to see you.
Thank you.
Is this are the concerns really about growth, or is it about spend?
I think it's two things. One, this was probably the third most overweight position for investors, right? NVIDIA, Microsoft, and then Meta. So you just very high expectations. And while they did deliver on the top line in the quarter, they only beat their midpoint by 2 points, and folks were expecting more. But then again, as you cited, you did have the higher full year, both OPEX and CAPEX guidance. And you had numerous comments by Mark Zuckerberg on the earnings call, just alluding to that they plan to lean into AI investments. Has
Zuckerberg deserved the right to be considered a disciplined spender and would not cross over into areas that are not eventually monetizable?
I don't think so yet. I mean, one of the things that I think they're toying with is we still have this Facebook Reality Labs line that's kind of on track to lose $20 billion. And they alluded to some of that spending isn't necessarily metaverse. It has to do with AI, with kind of the core Instagram, Facebook advertising business. And they may want to shift kind of some of that spending kind of from a reporting basis back to the core. So no, I don't think he's kind of entirely, earned his way out. But I think when, being the fastest growing company in advertising, that does earn him a lot of street cred.
Well, he's invested in the past. I mean, again, Reality Labs is still to be determined. But certainly many of the investments they've made have paid off significantly. What do you think ultimately some of the products that are now being invested in, what are they going to look like when it comes to what this company's doing?
Yeah, I mean, at this point, the company has really had to do two things. One, they had to figure out how to ultimately fight off TikTok, and that was an engagement driver, which they ultimately did with Reels. And then secondly, they had to pick up signal loss from IDFA, which they did with AI. And they were so successful with that, it gave them confidence that they should be doing more in AI. And that is what they're leading into right now.
So are you a buyer on the stock on the weakness today?
If you're a long-term investor, this is your moment to buy shares, and with a 12 to 18 month view. Again, if you're looking for, upside in earnings over the next 3 to 6 months, there's probably other names in our coverage universe. But everything that this company's doing looks like it's the correct strategy. It's just investors, really had set the buy pretty high ahead of earnings.